10 push-ups a day challenge. How it transformed my health and body. Hello everyone. Today, I want to share with you an incredible personal experience that I believe will inspire and motivate you to take on a new challenge, the 100 push-ups a day challenge. I used to struggle with my body image and poor health, but all that changed when I decided to take on this push-up challenge. After just a few weeks, I noticed significant improvements in my overall well-being, and I couldn't be happier with the results. So, what made the 100 push-ups a day challenge transform my life? Let's dive in. Firstly, incorporating regular push-ups into my daily routine helped me build core strength, the foundation of a strong and healthy body. I never realized how much my abs and obliques could benefit from daily push-ups until I started this challenge. Secondly, the push-up challenge taught me the importance of consistency. Just like any other habit, consistency is key when it comes to achieving your fitness goals. By pushing myself to do 100 push-ups every day, I was able to create new habits that strengthened my willpower and discipline. Additionally, the 100 push-ups a day challenge boosted my motivation by allowing me to set achievable goals. I could track my progress, see how far I had come, and always feel like I was making strides towards my ultimate goal of 1,000 push-ups. Finally, the 100 push-ups a day challenge improved my mental health and resilience. Pushing myself to complete such a demanding workout allowed me to overcome my fear of failure and embrace a healthier, more positive mindset. In conclusion, the 100 push-ups a day challenge transformed my life by teaching me the importance of consistency, setting achievable goals, and improving my mental health. I highly recommend giving it a try. You might just discover a new level of strength and well-being waiting for you.